Students, viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wa salamu ala Rasulullah. So we are progressing gradually. So still on lesson 2, part 1, but this time around exercise 2. So in the book we are using, if you go to page 9, that is where exercise 2 is. In order not to bore us much, I've copied out some of the lesson in exercise 2. The first column, second, third, the fourth column as well. I have leave it as an assignment, just like I did in exercise 1. But briefly, before we continue, that of exercise 1, let me quickly make correction for those of us maybe that may not get it, but I believe virtually all my viewers are going to get it as long as they follow with our last lesson. So the first one on that page 8 in the exercise 1, so is the first one in the fourth column is ba, po, sha. Ba, po, sha. That one has no any issue. So you can just check it. It's just ba, to. Bring it closer for us to see. Ba, to, and shin. So the next one is what? Ka, ta, ba. Is what? Ka, ta, ba. Can you see it? Kaf, which is supposed to be written this way. How? Do we have kaf on the board? Yes. But because it is not at the end of the araf, anytime it is at the middle or it is at the beginning, once you just want to link it, you know it is only at the end that you will not link it with another letter. It will stand in its original form. But as long as you want to link it, it comes in this format. So you are going to link it with this ta and link it with ba. So it becomes ka, ta, ba. So this one, ba, a, sa, this is ain. So it is this one and majorly this one that I would just like to emphasize on because of the ain. Whenever ain is coming at the middle, we have demonstrated how it will look when it comes at the end. When it comes, especially if you want to link, if it's coming at the end, maybe ba, da, a is coming at the end. So in a situation where the letter that comes before it is a letter that you cannot join. If it is a letter that you can join, it will not take this shape again because you can't do it like this. And equally, you can't do it like this. So if it is a letter that can join with another letter, it will not take this form. So let's say ba. So ba, ta, a. So can you see? So it's different from when we say ba, da, a. When we say ba, da, a, so the ain take this form, its original form, because it's not joining with. So the same thing, anytime ain is now at the middle of an alphabet, so this is how it's being written. This way, ba, a, ta. So ba, a, ta. This is ain. You know, if it is at the end now and you are joining something with it, it will come like this. But because it is, so anytime something is joined with it, it takes this format. But if equally a letter is joined with it and you equally want to join the ain too with another letter, you clean this lower part and continue. Ba, so it now becomes ba, a, ta. So I want to emphasize on that one. That's another one. Then the next one that follows is habasa. Habasa. The next one is what? Nahoro. Nahoro. Then the next one is what? Qa'ada. Qa'ada. The same thing I mean. Qa'ada. So if I did is just qa'a. Qa'a. It will have been like this. Qa'a. But because it is qa'ada, Adibi, it is the last one, qa'a. But qa'ada, you want to join it with another one. So it goes like this, qa'ada. Qa'ada. So, but even the letter that comes here, let's say, is a letter that you cannot join with. It's raw, and this ain will now take this shape. Ra-ada. It will instead of taking the complete shape like this. So it is anytime you want to join it with something, it takes this shape. This is shape. You want to join it with something, it takes this shape. You equally want to join it with another thing, it extends to continue. But anytime you are not joining it with anything, so it comes in its original form. So because you want to join it with something, you clean the lower part and join. So I hope you understand that one. That is just what I want us to get clearly in part of the assignment. Otherwise, every other thing is what we have learned in the last lesson. You can see this one too. Ra, za, ko. You can't join ra with zain. You can't join zain with ko. So it is a single word, but all of them are written one after the other, just like the English word. Like you write B-O-Y, boy. So you write ra separately, za. That's how to write ra, za, ko. Because ra is a letter you don't join. Zain is a letter you don't join. You can join something with Kof, but Zain does not tolerate joining with something. So, and it's the one that comes before it. So, therefore, you leave it like that. So, and the last one is what? Nasara. That one, Nun, you join it with So, so you join it with Ra. But if even something come after Ra, you will start that one on its own. You can't join Ra with another alphabet. So quickly, that's just the revision of our last exercise. Now we are now in exercise 2. So the author started with, this is the first column, this is the second column in the book, page 9. Page 9. Please, for those of us that do not have access to get this book, drop your mail on the comment section so that I can send you the soft copy in PDF format. Then you can print it if you wish, especially if it is your device you are using to follow up with this our lesson. Except if you have two devices, you use one to be looking through the PDF and the other one to be watching the video. Otherwise, you are advised to print the book so that you can follow effectively. So the first one the author brought is wa'adha. Wa'adha. So if you want to link these three words, waw cannot be joined with another word, but ain can be joined with va. So this is wa'adha. So this one is qarada. Ko can be joined with ra. Ko, ra, do. Ra cannot be joined with any letter, so do will just take its original shape. That is ko, ra, do. So go-ma-ra. Going, you can join it with name and join it with ra. Gomara. This one is what? Sara'a. You do it like this. Sara'a. Ro. Ro cannot be joined with any letter, hence ayin retain its original shape. Sa, ro, a. Please ensure you are copying out this. Don't just look at it from the book. You get your book and a pen and ensure you are also writing as I'm doing. So now this one is what? Ba, so, ma. So ba can be joined with sword. So you leave, and sword also equally can be joined with me. So it becomes what? Ba, so, ma. So the next one is what? Go, ma, go. So going can be joined with me. Go, ma, go. Go, ma, go. Okay? So the next one is volama. Volama. So vo can be joined with lam. Lam can equally be joined with me. So this is what? Volama. So the last one in the first column is what? Sa'ala. So sin can be joined with ain. This is how you join it. Ain can be joined with lam. Can you see? So every time ain is at the middle, it takes this shape. This is a shape. Anytime it's at the middle, this is a shape. So sa'ala. Sa'a is a, not sa'ala. If you call it sa'ala, you have changed the meaning. There are two different words in that. Sa'ala with Hamza. Sa'a, Hamza Fatah, Sa'ala, to ask question. To ask question. But Sa'ala is totally different from Sa'ala. Take note of that. That's why you must know the articulation and pronounce correctly. Otherwise, the Quran, you will just be changing its meaning when reciting. So the next one is what? Haraka. So this is how to write ha. Instead of bringing it down, you join it with ra. The ra cannot be joined with sa. Sa will stand alone. Haraka. So this one is ba. Ba. Va can be joined with ha. Ha can be joined with ra. Va. So this one, sin, it can be joined with kaf. But whenever you are joining something with kaf, it takes the other shape we've learned in our exercise 1. So sin. So you now do like this. This is the shape to take. And you see it, we link them together. Sa-ka-ba. Sa-ka-ba. This is sa-ka-ba. So that's how it will be when they are linked. So this one is what? Kho-sha-a. Kho-sha-a. So now, if you want to link them, kho is going to come like this. Instead of going down, you put a dot at the top. Kho. Shin also will be ready to join with the next one, which is ayin. This is how ayin will look at the end. So this is what? Kho-sha-a. Kho-sha-a. So the next one is what? Fa-ha-so. Fa-ha-so. Fa-ha, not fa-ha-so. Fa-ha-so. Fa, this is ha, and this is so. So, fa-ha-so. So, the next one is what? To-la-a. So, this is how to write to-la-a. To can be joined with lam. Lam can be joined with ain. To, la, a. So the next one is what? Na. The way the author writes it, if you are not careful, you think it's that. But why you know it's not that is he wrote it as if it wants to link. And zal cannot be linked. Because where he put the dots, how he wrote it like this, and put the dots here. If you are not careful, you think it's zal. But because it has gone like this, it didn't go like this. It didn't go like this, so you know that it's not going down. It wants to go and link with another letter. And zal can never, you can't link zal with another letter. So it is known that the author is, take note of that page, is known. Is known. Because if you look at the meaning itself, nadhara. Nadhara means to watch. Nadhara. So if you want to join, none can be joined with va. Na, va, ro. Na, va, ro. Okay? This one is kola, kola. So kof can be joined with lam. Kola, kola, kola. Say it. Kola. Okay? If you go to the third column, the first one here is what? Akala. Is what? Akala. If you want to join akala, is what? Alif, hamza cannot be joined with another letter. So kaf, because you want to join, if Adibi you want to stand alone, but because you want to join with another letter, it will take that shape. So akala. So ra cannot be joined. Ha can be joined with faf. So it's now what? Ra, ha, fa. Ra, ha, fa. Okay? This one is what? Mim. Mim can be joined with sin. Sin can be joined with ha. But because ha, sin can be joined with ha. But because ha is the last one, Adibin is still joining with another one. We do it like this. But it's not joining with any other one, hence we are going to complete it. So it's going to be masaha. Masaha. So the next one is what? Ha, mim, and sin. Ha can be joined with mim. Mim can be joined with shin. So therefore you are going to have what? Khomasha. Khomasha. So the next one is what? Soroba. So sa can be joined with ro. Ro cannot be joined with ba. Ba will stand alone. So soroba. So the next one is kha, to, and ba. Kha can be joined with to. To can be joined with ba. So you have what? Kha, to, ba. So the next one is lam, ha, and to, and va. Lam, ha, and va. Lam can be joined with ha. Ha can be joined with va. Hence, you are going to have what? La, ha, va. La, ha, va. This one. Kha, to, ba. The last but not the least on the third column is what? Is ain, faf, and ra. Ain can be joined with faf. You can see I've joined them. Put dots. Then fa can be joined with ra as well. So you are going to have what? Afara. Abi? Afara. So with this, we have come to the end of exercise 2. That is in page 9 of Nurul Bayan, the book we are using for this our great journey. So the last column, which is column 4 in exercise 2, I'm going to leave that as an assignment for us. So, respected students, please and please ensure you revise as we move on. So, and the sky is going to be your stepping stone. So please and please do your assignments. I wish us best of luck. May Allah bless our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in my next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.